So, hello everyone. This is Sudha Jain, Mrs. India Asia Pacific 2017-18 show coach, model, and socialite. But today, I was so happy that Mr. Ayan is bringing the back energy to the Hyderabad with buzz, and that is that kids are walking, Miss Category walking, Mrs. Category walking, and all about the bodybuilding show, which is like amazingly. And here I just find what no, the best people are on the ramp. It's not like that somebody is coming and walking the ramp. They groom them so well. It's visible in their walk, in their smile, the way they are presence on their stage. So congratulations, so much of effort you took for this thing. Actually, this is called fashion, and this is gonna be happen for the 5 to 6 cities. Pardon? Yeah, 5 to 6 cities, and then this is called a semi finale, and then is coming as a grand finale, which is gonna be bring again the, I must say, the Bombay vibes to the Hyderabad energy. And really, 2 decades in the fashion industry, today I internally I'm really feeling so happy that kids are coming and walking the ramp. And one more thing I just want to say to complete media, that you guys always support, always come with a warm heart. That is only the reason for the success. And today where I am actually, credit goes to you guys. Thank you so much. Love you a lot.
So next month we'll be traveling Mumbai, and then September we'll be traveling Goa, Kolkata, and then we'll be having like this lineup till December, and we are gonna have our semi-finals on November, and 20th December is our finals. Is gonna happen for Trend Fusion India.
How many participants were registered here and how many were selected?
Ma'am, like in today's round of audition, it is category showcase plus auditions. Like we are disclosing our rules.
Close the door.
Rules, how they gonna walk, how they gonna be judged. So as you have noticed, we have like celebrity jury as well working with us. So
How
again,
many rounds have been finished yet?
yes ma'am.
How many rounds have been finished?
So like we have done with today's 10 round with 5 of our categories, which is again Miss Trend Fusion India, Mr. Trend Fusion India, Mrs. Trend Fusion India, and TFI Best Physique and Trend Fusion India Kids Junior.
Okay.
These are the 5 categories which I have done the audition with today.
How many were selected?
So like we have selected 3 from each categories, top 3 for the semi-finals round.
हम लोग अभी फर्स्ट इवेंट रेडिसन में गच्चीपल्ली हैदराबाद में कर रहे हैं आज, और नेक्स्ट जो है अगस्त से हम लोग बॉम्बे, बेंगलुरु, दिल्ली, गोवा, हर जगह सिटीज़ में इवेंट कर रहे हैं। और दिसंबर में एक तो लास्ट बड़ा इवेंट कर रहे हैं हम लोग। इंशाल्लाह आप लोग की सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है सबको, हम लोग को। तो आप लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट करिए। हम लोग का दिसंबर में लास्ट बड़ा बिग इवेंट है समझिए।
TF, this is our first show. Though we have done a lot of shows, but this will be our first show, but not the last. Inshallah, not the least. So we are expecting 4 to 5,000, and more entries are coming. But further, we are seeing more. As from Bombay and Chandigarh, we are getting good response from there. So hope for the best, and we need all media's help very much, and this support is very important for us. So thank you. And
प्राइज
Can you tell me the registration process and the charge you are charging?
Mr. You can directly register it from our website.
How much you are charging?
It's very less charges. Like for each category, we have charged very less. From 3,000 we have charged, and even we have provided portfolio and other things also. Like other won't provide all the things. So prize money ante 21 lakh rupees prize money we are putting. That will be in December 28th. We are putting.
एक इवेंट
28th of December. That will be the grand finale, and we need all media support for that. And let's see.
where is the
Okay.
finals?
Finals will be in Hyderabad only, and even the last final and semi-final both will be in Hyderabad only.
Okay, ma'am.